Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The 3-Minute Health. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 habits that are the causes of weak bones. Bones are the framework of our body, and they need to be strong and healthy to support us. However, many people have habits that can damage their bones and increase the risk of osteoporosis, which is a condition where the bones become brittle and prone to fractures. So, let's find out what these habits are and how to avoid them. Number 1. Smoking. Smoking is one of the worst habits for your bones, as it reduces the blood flow to the bones, lowers the calcium absorption, and increases the production of cortisol, which is a hormone that breaks down bone tissue. Smoking can also interfere with the function of estrogen, which is a hormone that protects the bones in women. According to a study, smokers have a 29% higher risk of hip fracture than non-smokers. So, if you want to keep your bones strong, quit smoking as soon as possible. Number 2. Drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol is another enemy of your bones, as it can impair the balance of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential minerals for bone health. Alcohol can also affect the production of vitamin D, which is a vitamin that helps the body absorb calcium. Alcohol can also damage the liver, which is an organ that regulates the hormones that influence bone formation and resorption. According to a study, drinking more than 2 drinks per day can increase the risk of osteoporosis by 40%. So, limit your alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Number 3. Eating too much salt. Salt is a common ingredient in many foods, but it can also harm your bones, as it can increase the excretion of calcium through the urine, which can lead to calcium deficiency and bone loss. Salt can also raise the blood pressure, which can damage the blood vessels and reduce the blood flow to the bones. According to a study, consuming more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day can increase the risk of osteoporosis by 32%. So, reduce your salt intake by choosing low-sodium or sodium-free foods, and avoid adding salt to your meals. Number 4. Being sedentary. Being sedentary is a habit that can weaken your bones, as it can reduce the stimulation of bone formation and increase the loss of bone mass. Bones need physical activity to maintain their density and strength, especially weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, jogging, dancing, or lifting weights, which can put stress on the bones and make them adapt and grow. According to a study, doing at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity per day can reduce the risk of osteoporosis by 25%. So, get moving and exercise regularly to keep your bones strong. Number 5. Drinking too much caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can boost your energy and alertness, but it can also harm your bones, as it can interfere with the absorption of calcium and magnesium, which are important minerals for bone health. Caffeine can also increase the secretion of cortisol, which is a hormone that can break down bone tissue. According to a study, drinking more than 4 cups of coffee per day can increase the risk of osteoporosis by 20%. So, limit your caffeine intake to no more than 300 milligrams per day, which is equivalent to about 3 cups of coffee, and choose decaf or herbal teas instead. These are the 5 habits that are the causes of weak bones. If you have any of these habits, try to change them and adopt a healthier lifestyle that can protect your bones and prevent osteoporosis. Remember, your bones are the foundation of your body, and you need to take care of them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.